Okay, so this is a general division method. Any number we can divide it by a 2-digit number. Any big number divided by 2-digit number. This is the procedure. And let me explain one more question. Already we have discussed this one in the last class. I think you may forget. Okay, let me explain this question. 103. We have to divide this number by. Tell me.
43, sir.
In that 43, 4 is the divisor, and 3 will be the.
Sir.
3 is on
And
the
3
flag.
will be the flag.
Yeah, 3 will be the flag. And flag consists of how many digits?
1 digit.
1 digit means from right side we have to separate
From one
one
right.
digit. From right side
From
of
right
one
side
digit we
only
have to
one,
take
sir.
separation. Yeah, what is the speciality of this separation? Left of this line is represents quotient, and right of this line
Quotient,
represents
sir, and then that represents remainder.
remainder. Left is quotient and right is the remainder. Okay, we'll start. Every time we have to do it first with the divisor, later with the flag, again with the divisor, later with the flag, again with the divisor, later with flag. This is the cycle. Okay. So first we'll do with the divisor. In 1, it will not go. 4 will not go, right? Yes or no? In 1, 4 will not go. Correct? That's why I'm taking 10. Directly I'm taking 10. In 10, how many times 4 will go?
2 times.
Once. Yeah, 2 times. 4 twos are how much? 4 2 times is how much?
8, sir.
8. Now what is the remainder?
8, sir.
What is the remaining number?
2.
10 minus 8 is 2. But write this 2 before the next digit 2 and consider this
Yes,
number as
sir.
23.
23.
Okay, now this number is 23. After divisor is over, then we have to do flag multiplication. So multiply this 2 with the flag. 2 3s are
6.
6. 23 minus 6 is how much?
Sir,
23 minus 6.
sir 20. 26.
Sir, 17.
17. That's all. 17 is the remainder. So answer for this question is 2 with a remainder of 17. That's all.
Sir, when I did addition instead of subtraction, that's the reason I told something else.
Okay. 23 minus 6, you are thinking a lot
As
of.
addition, sir, not subtraction. That's the reason I told something else.
Okay. Now, can you do some exercise, or I have to explain all the questions? Your wish.
Exercise,
Sir,
sir.
can you explain another question?
Okay, let me explain one more question. This one. All of you listen to me carefully. I'll follow the same procedure. 2, 3, 4. We are dividing this number by 54. Okay. Now 5 is on the flag. Sorry, 5 is the divisor and 4 is on the flag. 5 is the divisor and 4 is on the flag. Okay. And flag consists of how many digits? Tell me, flag consists of how many digits? Only 1 digit. So from right side, separate 1 digit. And to the right of separation, to the left of separation, it is a quotient. And right of separation, it is a remainder. Okay, now start the solution. In 2, 5 will not go, right? In 2, 5 will not go. That's why we'll consider 23. In 23, how many times 5 will go?
4 times 20.
Yeah, 4 times. So 5 4s are how much it is?
5 4s are 20.
20. What is the remainder?
3.
3. But write that 3 before next digit. That is before 4. Then that number becomes
34.
34. So next, after divisor, what we have to do? We have to multiply with the flag. Yes or no? Now, what is this flag multiplied by 4? 4 4, sir?
16, sir.
34 minus 16 is how much?
18, sir.
18. That's all. That's the remainder. So answer for this question is 4 with a remainder of 18. Got it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
that flag we have to multiply with units digit.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Got it, sir.
What Krishnaditya? Tell again.
Sir, the flag should be multiplied with the units digit.
Yeah, units digit. We are representing it as a flag, and tens place we are taking it as a divisor. And mainly we'll take a divisor only. We'll deal with the divisor only. As and when it is required, we'll consider flag.
No, sir, is here. Here in 34, sir. 4 into 4 we have to do. They are only in, for units digit we have to multiply.
No, not units digit. Flag number with quotient. Flag number with quotient.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay.
here both are matching. That's why you may be confusing. You're confusing. Okay. Let me explain this question also. Yeah. Here the number. What is the dividend? 74.
74.
We have to divide 74 by
23.
23. In that 23, 2 is the divisor. 3 is on
3 is the flag.
3 is on the flag. Okay. So flag consists of how many digits here?
1, sir.
Means from
One
right
digit.
side after one digit.
Yes,
we
sir.
have to-
One digit.
Answer,
Yes,
sir.
One digit.
Yeah. So now tell me, in 7, 2 will go or will not go? 2 will go.
No, sir, it will not go.
In 7, 2 will go or not?
6.
Yes, sir, it will go. Yes, sir. It
Yeah.
will.
How many times it will go?
3 times, sir.
3
Three
times, sir.
times. Three
Sir,
is how
3,
many?
sir. Remainder 1, sir. Remainder 1.
Yeah. Now the remaining is 1.
now the remaining
So we have to add the
Sir,
next
you
to
have to write
14.
it
So
before
then
1.
We have to write it before next to
Four,
digit.
sir.
So, sir, 3 into 3, 9. So 14 minus 9, 5. So 3 with remainder.
Somewhere equal is coming. Okay.
Sir, I think it is from Lalit only.
Okay. And now it is now this number becomes
14,
14,
sir.
right?
When we can do it, sir, it is 7 times.
after divisor
Sir, it
is over, then we have to
go
go with flag.
Yes, sir, flag.
Okay.
Yes,
This
sir,
3
flag.
3s are
9, sir.
Lalit. Try to rejoin. Okay. 3 3s are 9. So 14 minus 9 is how much?
Yes.
Sir, Lalit's mic is only echoing.
Yeah. 3 with a remainder 5. That's all.
Yes, sir, 3 with room. Sir, are we just revising yesterday's, right?
No. This is today's class only.
I meant
Okay. And see, 3 questions are over. And now you can select your question. A, B, C are over. These are done.
should I read the name, sir? Sir, G.
Okay.
Vishnu.
G, Vishnu. Okay.
Yes, sir. C. Manideep.
Okay. See, already over now. Next.
Okay, sir. E. Shreyasi.
Okay.
F. Krishna.
F, Krishnaditya. Okay.
D.
And only
Manideep.
D, Manideep.
Yes, sir. That's it.
That's all. Okay. Okay, done. If you are ready, we'll start. Otherwise, I will wait.
Sir, some places I'm still not understanding, sir.
Okay, you will understood and you can explain it in the last. Okay. Manideep,
Okay then, sir. Yes, sir. I'll see
if you are
others.
ready, we'll start with you.
Hello, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Which question yours? D, right?
D, sir.
We need to
So-
divide
We do divide with 72, sir.
5 0
7 is,
with the 72. Okay.
yes, sir. 7 is the divisor.
Divisor is 7. Okay.
2 comes to the flag, sir.
Yeah, flag is 2. Then
And flag is only 1 digit, so we should take out 1 digit, sir.
okay. And what is the specialty of this vertical line? What it represents? This vertical line, orange line. Left side is the quotient and right side is
Right side is the remainder, sir.
the. Okay. Proceed.
So 7 sevens are 49.
7 in 5 it will not go. That's why you're taking 50 directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
7
7
sevens are
sevens are 49.
49. Okay.
1 goes to the 4, sir. Left of 4,
Okay.
which is
Becomes
14.
okay.
Which is 14, sir.
Next.
Which is 14.
14 is okay. Next.
7 twos of 14.
Flag multiplication, right?
Yes, sir.
7 twos are 14.
14 minus 14 is 0, sir. So the answer is 7.
So
sir.
here the question is 7 not 4 is exactly divisible by 72. That's why remainder
Yes,
is.
sir.
So 7 with the remainder 0.
7.
That's all. Very good. Shreyasi, now are you ready or we'll do it last?
Sir, answer. I'll see
Okay.
others.
Okay.
I'm not understanding.
Who is doing F?
Sir Krishnaditya.
Tell. If you are ready, tell.
Yes, sir. 543 is dividend.
Okay.
8 is the divisor.
Okay.
And flag is 2.
Okay.
Flag is 1 digit. So 3 and 54 will separate.
Okay.
Under 54, it will be quotient, and under 3, it will be remainder.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Then
Yeah. Start with the divisor. 8.
first digit it will not go. So 8
Yeah.
sevens are 54.
8 sevens are 54. No, it is 56, I think.
It is 56, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 8 6 are 48.
56 is exceeding. That's why 8 6 are.
Exactly.
Yeah. 8 6 are how much?
48, sir.
48. What is the remaining number?
6, sir.
6. Write it before next digit, and this number becomes
63.
63. Okay. Then divisor is over now. Flag multiplication.
Yes, sir. 6 2s are 12.
6 2s
So
are 12.
63, 12. It will be 51.
51 will be the remainder. Okay.
Remainder.
So answer for this question is 6 with a remainder of 51.
Remainder 51.
Very good. Then who is going to do G?
Sir, me, sir, Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Proceed.
Sir, 5 6 7 is the dividend.
Dividend. Okay.
Sir, 9 is the divisor.
9 is the divisor. Okay.
3 is the flag, sir.
3 is the flag.
Sir, the flag is 1 digit, so it will be 1 digit from right to left. We have to put a line between 56
Separate.
and 7.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, separate.
Then
Sir, 9 is not perfectly
9 will
divisible
not
to-
go in 5. That's why 56.
Yes, sir. The nearest is 54, sir, 6 times.
6 times it is 54. And the remainder is
2, sir.
2. But write
It
it.
will go beside 7 and it will become 27, sir.
Okay. Now flag multiplication. Don't forget. After divisor, every time flag.
Yes, sir.
Again,
Now we
after-
have to divide the flag, sir, flag number. It is perfectly divisible 9 times, sir.
No. You have to do 3 with this quotient. 3 6 are. Every time quotient should be multiplied by divisor as well as
When
flag.
it comes with the flag, you have to divide it with the quotient.
No, not a division. Multiply.
Sorry,
quotient
multiply.
with flag. Multiply quotient with flag.
Sir, 18,
Here,
sir.
see here, all of you answer. You have taken 6 here. 6 we have multiplied with 9. We got 54. And again, the same 6 we have to multiply with this 3.
Okay, understood, sir.
6 3s are
18, sir.
18. And what is the remainder here? 27 minus 18.
Unmute.
What happened to you? You are doing big calculations, but you are forgetting small things. Division, sorry, addition, subtractions. Okay, here the answer is 6 with a remainder of 9.
6 with a remember 9.
Sir, can you hear me?
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Now
Sir, I was trying to speak,
we
sir.
can.
It unmuted me.
Okay, okay, okay.
It was reconnecting, sir.
Now, Shresi, it is your turn.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 444 is the dividend, sir.
Okay.
And now 3 with as the divisor
Okay.
and 6 as the flag.
No, no. 6
No,
is
sir.
the divisor. 3 is on the
sir,
flag.
6 is. Sir, the 10th place will be the divisor, sir.
10th place is the divisor. Highest place value is the divisor.
Okay.
6 is the divisor. And
6 is the divisor.
what is the number on
and
the flag?
3 is the flag.
3 is on the
And only one digit is there as a flag. So we have to separate only one digit with the rest two.
from right side. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now proceed.
Now, sir, 36 comes as the near one, sir. So 6 6 are 36.
No, 6 table 36 is 6 times, right?
Yes, sir.
6 sevens are
6 7s are 42. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I thought it's something. Okay, sir.
okay. 6 sevens are 42. 42. And the remainder is
Remainder is 2, which goes over there with the 4.
okay. Now becomes 24.
Yes, sir. Now 7 3s are 21.
Yeah, 7 6 is already over. That's why 7 3s are flag multiplication. 7 3s are 21. And the remainder
21
is
3.
3. Okay. So here the
7
answer
with
is
the
7
remainder 3.
with the remainder 3. So here we are getting every time one quotient and a remaining part as the remainder. So if there are many number of digits, we'll continue the same. We'll continue the same. Okay. Suppose let us see.
Oh, okay. Then we'll keep on doing it, sir.
We have to keep on doing it. We have to continue the same thing. Okay. And let us see
Yes.
how to decimalize the remainder also. Till now we are taking only reminders, right? Yes or no? Till now we
Yes,
are
sir,
taking
not
only
decimal
reminders.
digits. I mean,
From now onwards, we are going to take a decimal part also, points also.
yes, sir.
Okay, let me take one sample question like 40. Suppose here I'm writing 40342. We have to divide this number by 73, and we have to take up to 5 decimal places. We'll take. Let me explain. For 5 decimal places, you can do up to 2 decimal places enough. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You can guide me now. Okay, so here the number is
40342, sir.
40342. We have to divide this
7
number
is
by
a 7 is a divisor.
divisor is 7. On the
Flag
flag it
is 3.
3. Okay, and flag consists of
1 digit, so we have to separate 4034 from 2, sir.
yeah 1 digit from right side. We need to separate. Now see the solution. First 7 it will not go in 4. That's why I'm considering 40. In 47 how many times it will go? 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42 is exceeding
42.
40. That's why I'm
So
taking
35, sir. 5 times 35.
5 times only. So 7 5s are it is 35. 35 and the remainder is
5, sir.
5. Write it before next digit. Now this number becomes
53.
53. So after 5 quotient multiplication with the divisor is over. Next we have to multiply with flag. Okay. Yes or no? This 5 7 times is over now. And this 5,
Yes, sir.
we have to do 3 times. 5 3s are
15.
15.
15.
So 53 minus 15 is how much? 53 minus 15.
So 38.
38. You have to do these calculations fast. Okay. 38. Okay, see. Now see here. In 38, how many times 7 will go? So one time, one cycle, divisor is over and flag is over. Again, I am coming to divisor now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 5 times, sir. It will go 5 times.
Yeah, again, it is a 5 times. So 7 5
Yes, sir. 7 5 are 35.
35. And what is the remainder here?
3.
3, but
Three.
write it before next digit.
Yes,
Three.
sir.
And
we have
right
to write.
before 4.
Yeah. Next, the number becomes 34.
Sir,
Next
again
is
15. 15.
again
15.
flag multiplication. Yeah, again 15 only. If you subtract 15, the remainder is
So 19.
19. Very
19,
good. 19. Now tell me, again in that 19, how many times 7 will go?
So 3, 2.
Yes, 2 times only.
Yes, sir. 2 times.
Means it is 14. And the remainder
14.
is?
3.
No, 19 minus 14.
5.
Five is
5.
the
5.
remainder.
Sorry, sir. 5. 5.
Yeah, write it before next digit 5. Now the number becomes
52.
52. And remember one thing here from now onwards, whenever we are crossing this line, we are crossing this line, keep a decimal point here. Keep a decimal point here. Okay.
Okay, sir. We have.
Then again flag multiplication with this 2. Flag multiplication. 2 3s are
6.
6. 6. 52 minus 6 is how much?
46, sir.
46.
46. In 46, how many times 7 will go?
So 6.
6
6
times.
times, sir. 6 times.
Yeah, 7 6 are 42. 42 and the remainder is
4,
Four.
sir.
4. 4. But where to write that 4? Sir, after number, there are no decimal points means, after taking one decimal point here, we can take any number of zeros as required grantedly, because it will not affect the problem, because we have already taken decimal point, right?
Yes,
See,
sir.
let me explain one small thing here. Okay, I'll write it here only. What is this number?
52.
Now, what is this number?
052.
No. What is the value of this number?
52,
52, sir.
52. Now its value.
52,
Now its value.
52,
So you can place any number of zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
But now its value.
520,
Now its
520, sir.
value.
550,
52, sir.
52,
52.
Now its value.
52,
Now its
52.
value.
52,
52.
Means before number we can take any number of zeros, and after decimal also we can take any number of zeros. It will not affect the problem, right? It will not change the
Yes,
question.
sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why we can take we can add any number of zeros, required number of zeros we can add. So now tell me 46 minus 42 is how much?
4, sir.
4, sir.
4, and write it before next digit, that is 0, and the
Sir,
number
it will become
becomes
40.
40, and continue your calculation again. So this 6 divisor multiplication is over now, and go to the flag multiplication again. 6 3s are
18,
18. Now subtract 18 from 40. The remainder is
22.
32,
22. In 22, how many times 7 will go?
So
2,
Sir, 3 times.
so
Yeah,
3
3
No,
times.
sir, 2
7
times.
3s
2
are
times.
21,
21.
21. What is the remainder?
1,
One.
sir.
Write it before next digit. Number becomes
10.
10. So next again, divisor multiplication is over. Next we have to go for flag multiplication. Yes or no? These 3.
Yes, sir.
Every time with that new number, we have to go with the divisor as well as flag. Again divisor with flag. Again divisor flag. Okay. Now tell me 3 3s are
9.
9. So 10 minus 9 is how much?
1.
1. So now what to do, sir? In 1, will it go? 7 will go or will not go?
No, sir, it will not go.
So it will not go. I am taking 0 times. 0 times it is
0,
0, sir.
0. So 1 minus 0 is
0,
no 1 minus 0.
1, sir, 1.
1, but write it before next digit, right?
Sir, it will become 10 again.
Yeah, 10. Let me write zeros with some space. Okay. So now this number becomes 10. Again, in 10, how many times 7 will go? Sorry. What to do next? Flag multiplication, right?
Flag multiplication.
Yes, multiply this 0
3,
with
sir.
3. 0 3 times is
0,
3.
0.
0, 0,
10.
0, 0, 0, 0. Sorry,
0.
sir.
Okay. 0. Then 10 minus 0 is
10,
10.
10. Now in 10, how many times 7 will go?
Sir, 1 time, 1 time.
7 one time it is 7. What is the remainder now?
3,
3.
3. But write this 3 before next digit. 30.
It will be 30.
Yeah. Now the number becomes 30 and go with the flag multiplication now. 1 3 is a
Sir, 3.
3. 30 minus 3 is how much?
27,
27.
27. In 27, how many times 7 will go?
9 times.
No. 7 9s are 56. Sorry, 63.
3 times, sir.
Sir, 3 times. 21.
Yeah, 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 28 is exceeding that number. 7 3s
Sir,
are.
21.
I think we got our answer now. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
So here, what is the question given?
Sir, how we got our answer?
Sorry,
How we got the answer, sir?
how we got? This is our answer.
Sir, if we continue, it is not.
552.63013. You can check in calculator.
Sir, sir,
Tell.
if we continue, it will be non-terminating, right, sir?
Non-terminating means sometimes it may be terminated also. If it is exactly divisible.
Okay, sir. In
Got
this
it?
case, I am asking.
Yeah, here I have continued till the 5 digits. After decimal 5 digits, you don't need to
Yes,
continue.
sir. In
till that part.
calculator, it will only show till 5 digits, sir.
Some calculators will give 10 digit and more than that also. It depends on
Yes,
calculator,
sir.
calculator performance.
Divided by 37, right?
2 decimal places is enough, right? Sorry, somebody telling something.
The question once again.
Sorry,
Question. Like, only question, sir, not the only question.
okay, I need to show the question.
Yes, sir.
This is your question.
Sir, I think Nitya has a mic problem. It is like sound coming.
Yeah, this is the question. 40342, we have to divide this number by 73 and we have to continue up to 5 decimal places.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and let me explain one more question. Okay, here I will explain. Okay, the question is 23.1, we have to divide this number by 83 and up to 3 decimal places. Up to 3 decimal places. Okay, shall we do it now? Because it is already in decimal form only, and that decimal number we have to divide by 83. We'll see how to do this now. Tell me the dividend is 23.1.
23.1.
Okay. And the divisor is
8.
oh sorry, flag is 3.
3.
So as there is a decimal point here already, can I take any number of zeros or not?
Yes, sir. You can take unlimited number of.
Yeah, unlimited number of zeros we can take. Okay. And one more thing here is, other than that decimal number, what is the actual number here?
23.
23 is the actual number. Here flag consists of only 1 digit means.
So 1 digit from the right.
Yeah, 1 digit from right side means from where right side? From the decimal place. Okay, from the
Yes, sir,
decimal
from the
place.
decimal.
1 digit, after 1 digit we have to keep a separation here. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can ignore the decimal point even. Here we can ignore the decimal point also, because we have taken separation means decimal point is already declared. Decimal place is already declared. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want, I will keep it here only. Okay, we'll start solution. In 2, 8 will go or will not go?
Sir, it will not go, sir.
It will not go means 0 times I can take. 8 0 times it is
0.
0. So keep it, write it.
23.
Yeah. 2 minus 0 is 2, becomes 23.
23.
Yeah, as we are overtaking that line, we are crossing that line. So means we have to take the decimal place.
Yes, sir. Decimal.
Okay. Now divisor is over. Then multiply this 0 with the 3 portions. Sorry, flag multiplication.
0.
3 into 0 is 0.
0.
23 minus 0 is 23 minus 0.
23, sir.
23. Okay. Now tell me, in 23, how many times 8 will go?
2,
8
sir.
3s
Sir,
are
2 times. 2 times.
8 3s are 24 is exceeding. That's why 2 times
16,
only I'm
16.
considering. 8 3 8 2s are
16.
16. What is the remainder here?
7, sir.
7.
7,
Write it
7.
before next digit and consider this number as
71.
71. So next again flag multiplication. So multiply this 2 with the flag.
6.
6. 71 minus 6 is
65.
65. In 65, how many times 8 will go?
Sir, 8 times.
8
Sir,
times.
8 times.
8 8s are
64.
64.
Yeah, here a new problem is coming here. See here, observe carefully. 8 8s are 64. Here, what is the remainder?
1.
1, sir.
1 second. I will write zeros somewhat spacious.
Sir, like, did you do any exercise? Because like I joined.
We'll do exercise. Before going to exercise, try to understand the concept here.
Yes, sir. I'm saying that did you do so because I joined a bit late.
We did. Lalit, we did it.
Okay. No issue. Try to understand this and we'll do exercise also.
Okay.
Okay. 65 minus 64 is how much?
1, sir.
All of you observe carefully. So write that 1 before next digit. Now the number becomes
10.
10. Next is flag multiplication with this 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
8 3s are 8 3s are
24. 24.
24. Now can you subtract 24 from 10?
No, sir. It will be in minus.
So it is not possible. We are getting a negative value. So in these situations, what to do is instead of taking 8 times, we have to take only 7 times. Why? Because see here. When you divide 20 with 3, when you divide 20 with 3, tell me how many times, what is the quotient? Tell me, what is the quotient? Are you there?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes. When you divide 20 with 3, what is the quotient?
6, sir.
6 times how much it is? 6 3s are
18.
18. What is the remainder?
2, sir.
Yes, 2. Now, if I say like this, is there any wrong in that? If I say 3 5 times it is 15 and with 5 is the remainder. Is it not correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Same, correct.
sir.
It is also correct. We can explore in this way. Any number of multiples we can take. Any number of multiples. And see if I do in this way, 3, 20, 3 4s are 12 with remainder 8. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can say 3, 20, even 3 times with the 9 with the 11 as the remainder also we
Yes,
can.
sir.
So and so on. So if this case is applicable, if this first case is applicable, proceed with the first case only. If this is not valid, if this is not giving your answer, then go with the next digit. Sorry, next possibility.
So on, sir.
It is also not giving, go for the next possibility.
Next.
So in that way, here, instead of taking 8 times, which is better to take 8?
7 times.
7 times only. Yeah. If I take 8 7 times, it
56.
is 56. What is the remainder? 65 minus 56. How much it is?
9, sir.
9. Write it
9,
before
9.
next digit. Now the number becomes 90. So after division is over, sorry, divisor multiplication is over. Next we have to multiply with the flag. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 21.
7 3s are
21.
21. 90 minus 21 is
Sir,
Sir,
69.
71.
69. 69.
Sorry,
69, sir. 69.
69. Okay. And after divisor is over, sorry, after flag multiplication is over, again come to divisor.
Yes.
So in 69, how many times 8 will go?
8 8 are 64.
Yeah, 8 8s are 64. And the remainder is
5, sir.
5. Write it
5.
before next digit. And actually, we don't need to continue here because here the question is we have to divide this number and we need to find up to
Sir, he only asked 3 digits. So we,
decimals.
3
decimal
decimals.
places only. Yeah,
Yes,
if you
sir.
want, you can continue, but I am stopping here because 3 decimal places he is asking for. Okay. Is it not better? In Vedic maths,
Yes, sir.
Vedic maths, this technique is called crowning gem. Crowning gem of Vedic maths.
Sir, why, sir?
Why means so no other technique except a calculator, no other technique will give this much simpler calculation and this much one-step answers for this these bigger calculations. Will you accept or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe we are doing internally, we are doing some calculations, but all those calculations can be done mentally. If you practice more, these calculations can be done mentally. And directly we are getting the answer. That is why this technique is called crowning gem of Vedic math. Okay, if you are okay with this method, we'll go to the exercise. Otherwise, I'll do one more question or 2 more questions if you want.
No, sir, you can start the exercise.
Okay. So here your duty is to find 2 decimal places. Whoever interested can take questions. Remaining questions I will do. Proceed.
Sir, should I read names?
Read.
Sir, F. Vishnu,
F. Vishnu. Okay.
E. Manideep,
Okay.
G. Lalit.
G. Lalit. Okay.
That's it, sir. Nobody else.
There are 4 names, I think. 4 messages means E. Lalit given 2 times. Okay, I will do the remaining questions because we should not waste time. I think this will be the last class. If possible, I will take 1 more class to revise all the things in
Okay.
Vedic maths. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing it. Whenever your question,
Sir,
huh,
once can you show my question again? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
once your question came, just remind me. This is my question. Okay.
Okay.
Manideep, Vishnu, and Lalit.
Okay, sir.
Navya and who Lalit is taken question. Navya and Shreyasi
Nitya,
and many people are
Shreyasi,
there.
Ayush.
Many people are there.
Sir, Krishna Aditya.
Yeah, even Ritvik, Navesri H. Okay. Okay. I'm doing them. I'm starting from the first
Sir,
question.
Shreyasi B.
Shreyasi, which question?
B, sir.
B. Okay.
B.
Told.
Shreyasi, be ready. After my question, it is your question only.
Okay, sir.
I'm starting mine. Here the number is 108. 108. And we have to divide this number by 31, in which 3 is the divisor and 1 is on the flag. Okay. And here flag consists of 1 digit. That's why we have to separate after 1 digit. And after separating, we can take any number of zeros grantedly. Okay. I am starting division. In 1, 3 will not go. That's why I'm taking 10. In 10, how many times 3 will go? 3 threes are
3 threes are 9.
9. And what is the remainder here? 1.
1.
Write it before
Which
next
will go that
digit.
side.
And here we are moving on to the other side of this vertical line. That's why keep a decimal point here. Okay. Now this is 18. Divisor multiplication also over. Now coming to the flag multiplication. 1 threes are
3.
3. 18 minus 3 is how much?
Sir, 15.
15. In 15, how many times 3 will go?
The 3 5s are.
5 times. But if you take 5 times, some problem will come. See here, what type of problem it is? 3 5s of 15. Here, what is the remainder? 0. And we have to write that 0 before next digit. It becomes 0 0. From that 0 0, can you subtract flag multiplication? 5 ones of 5. Can you subtract 5?
Minus 5 it will come. So
Yeah, no, it is not possible. That's why we should not take 5 times. Here we have to take only 4 times. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. What is the remainder?
12. It is
Remainder
3 which will go that side.
3 and becomes
30.
30. Now again coming to the flag multiplication. So 4 ones are this 4 1 times is
4 ones are 4.
4. 30 minus 4 is
26.
The 20.
in that 26. How many times 3 will go?
Sir, 8 times.
7 times. 8 times is how much? 3 eights are
24, sir.
24 will go.
24, sir.
Okay. So 8 times it is 3 eights are 24. 24 and here the remainder is 2. Write it before next
2.
digit. Now the number becomes
20.
20. Now again flag multiplication with 8. 1 8s are
8, sir.
8 and
8,
we don't need to continue I think because we got 2 digits already.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. More
So
than
here
2
the answer is
digits,
3.48.
Not allowed.
Tracy, continue.
Okay, sir. Sir, 4050 as dividend.
4050. 4050.
Yes, sir. So now divisor is 7 and flag is
Okay.
3.
And flag is 3. Okay. Where to keep the decimal
Yes,
point?
sir. Now, as only one is there, one digit is there as a flag, so we'll only separate as one number, only one digit from the side. I mean, from the right.
Yeah, okay. And after keeping this line, we can take
As
0.
many zeros as we want.
Yeah. And after that, start division now with this 7.
Yes, sir. Sir, we cannot do it with forces, so we directly take it 40, sir.
Yes. In 47
Yes,
will
the
go. How
7
many times?
4s are. You can
7
keep
4s
it
are 28. 7 5s are
It will be 5 times, Tracy.
5 times will
Oh,
go.
yes,
7
sir.
5s are
5 times, sir. 7 5s are 35.
35. Okay. What is the remainder here?
The remainder is 5, which will go that side.
Okay.
The next to the 5. Yeah.
Next flag multiplication with the quotient.
Yes, the 3 5s are 15, sir. So we have to subtract it.
What is the remainder here?
40.
So it will be 40.
Again divisor. In 40,
Yes,
how many
now?
times?
So it will be 5
Five
times,
times.
sir. 35.
Again 5 times. Okay. 7 5s are
35.
35. Remainder
Remainder is
5 will
5.
5. Write it before next digit.
Write it before 0.
And here we are overtaking the line. That's why.
That's why it will be a point.
Yeah. Then the number becomes 50. Then flag
50.
multiplication. Again quotient with flag.
Question with flag.
Here the new quotient
So
is
5
5.
with 3, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
5 with the 3 is how much?
15.
15. Remainder is
So the remainder is 35.
35. In 35, how many times 7 will go?
5s are 5 times.
Yeah, it will go exactly which results in 0, 0 from that 0,
So,
you
sir-
cannot, you cannot subtract flag multiplication. Then we have to take 4
Sir,
times
we have
is
to take
better.
4 times as 28.
Yeah, 7 4s are 28. What is the remainder now?
Wait, I thought it was 30.
Yes, 7
Sir,
5
7.
times is 35. So 28 means the 7 is the remainder.
Sir.
Okay, 7.
7, yes, sir.
Now the number becomes 7.
70.
Next again flag multiplication.
Again with flag multiplication. Yes, sir. So, 4 3s are 12.
4 3s are 12. What is the remainder now?
Sir, it becomes 58.
You have to do much practice on many, not only you, all of you have to do much practice on additions and subtractions in our early classes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, tell me now in 58 how many times 7 will go?
Sir, 58. Sir, 7s are.
7 7s are 49, 7 8s are
7 8s are 56. Okay, sir.
That's all.
7 8s are
Your answer is over now. 55.48.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we are moving on to next question. C. Anybody took C? If no one, I will continue.
Yes, sir. You only do it because nobody took it.
Okay. 9876. We have to divide this number by 94, where 9 is the divisor and 4 is on the flag. So from right side, after 1 digit, I'm taking decimal. And after taking decimal, we can take zeros. Okay. So in 9, 9 will go or will not go? Tell me, in 9, 9 will go or not?
Sir, it will.
Yes, sir, it will go,
How many
sir.
times it is?
1 time.
1 time. 9 ones are 9 with the remainder 0. Write it before next digit becomes 08.
Right.
Okay. Next flag multiplication. Multiply flag with the quotient. 1 4s are
4, sir.
4.
Remainder 4.
So with the remainder 4. In 4, 9 will not go, will go or will not go?
Not go, sir.
Will not go. That's why I'm taking 0 times. 9 zeros are
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. The remainder is 4, so then why don't you add it to 47?
no. In cycle, in every cycle, after doing divisor, only we have to go for the next digit. After doing with the divisor only, we have to go to the next place 4.
Oh, okay, sir. Understood.
So here we are doing only flag multiplication. We have done just a flag multiplication. This is not over for divisor. Okay. Yeah, in 4, 9 will not go. That's why I'm taking 0 times. 9 zeros are 0.
0.
And what is the
47,
remainder
sir.
here? 4. Now we have to write that 4 before next digit. Got it, Lalit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me in flag multiplication, right? 4 0 ta 0 sir
0.
0. 47 minus 0 is
47.
in that 47. How many times 9 will go?
5 times.
5 times it is how much? 9 5 sir
45.
45 and the remainder is
3. 2, sir. 2.
yeah 2. Write it before next digit and go for the flag multiplication with 5. How much? 4 5 sir
20.
20 and the remainder is
6.
6. In 6, 5 will go or will not go? And one more thing here we forgot.
Sir, we forgot to put decimal.
Yeah, we need to keep the decimal here.
Sir,
After
here
keeping
if you
decimal,
do
we got
5,
6.
You can take 5 5s are also right, sir.
Sorry, which one?
Sir, 21 you took 5 4s are 20. You can take 5 5s are 25 also, right?
In which one? 26. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So in 26,
Sir,
we are not dealing with the divisor. We are dealing with the flag.
Oh,
Okay. 5, we are multiplying with the flag. 5 4s are 20. After taking
Sir,
this
I think she did
5,
not
we don't
attend.
have options. Okay. Whenever we are doing with the divisor, we have options. After deciding quotient, we don't have option to do for flag. Got it?
okay, sir, got it.
Yeah. Then 6 is the remainder. In 6, 9 will not go. That's why I'm taking again a 0. After taking 0, 9 zeros, it is 0. And the remainder is 6 minus 0. All of you, are you there?
0, 0, 0.
Yeah, 6 minus 0.
6, sorry, 6, 6.
6, write it before next digit, that is 60. Okay. Now again coming to the flag multiplication. 0 4s are
0,
0. 60 minus 0.
60,
In that 60, how many times 9 will go? 9 sevens are
7.
63 is exceeding, means it is 6 times only. 9 6 are 56.
Yes, sir, 6.
So that's all. That is our answer. 105.06. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
D. Anybody took D? I think no one.
Sir, can you one show C, sir?
C. Okay.
Sir, Manideep took C, sir. Not
No,
C,
sir,
sir.
I
D.
took E.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir,
took D,
Manideep
sir.
took D.
Lalit.
Sir, I took E.
Okay. Okay.
No, yes, sir, you can scroll.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, Manideep took D, sir.
D.
No,
D,
sir, I
sir.
took E.
E. Okay. After this question, you be ready with your solution. Okay. Here I'm doing the question. 2.
Sir, no, sir. Shreyasi took E, sir. D, Manideep took.
No.
In the chat box, sir.
No. Shreyasi took B. Okay. Here I have
Oh.
written
Sir,
the
I took B, sir.
and it's already over also. Okay. Manideep E.
D,
F
nobody
Vishnu,
took.
G Lalit and H Navya. I think D is my last question and you have to explain remaining questions. Okay. Vishnu, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, understood.
Okay. 25.52. We have to divide this number by
3 divisor, 8 flag.
divisor 3 and flag is 8. Yeah. Now, in flag, how many digits are there?
1 digit.
Only 1 digit.
From
So
decimal
from the
point, right?
from the decimal point, we have to take 1 digit. And after taking 1
We
digit,
can remove the decimal point, sir.
Yeah. Now start division. Into 3 will not go. That's why I'm taking
0 times.
3 zeros are 0 and the
2.
remainder is
2.
2. Write it before next digit becomes 25. Okay. Now we overtake that line. That's why keeping a
Decimal point.
next after 0. After taking 0 with the divisor multiplication, we have
0
to take
again.
0 with the flag multiplication. Okay. So quotient with the divisor. After that, quotient with flag. Again, the new quotient with the divisor. Again, the new quotient with flag. That is the cycle. Okay. 0 8 times it is 0 8
0, sir.
0. 25 minus 0.
25.
25. In 25, how many times 3 will go?
Sir, 8 times. 24.
8 times. So 8 times it is 24. But if you take 8 times, so the next flag multiplication becomes 8 8s are 64. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now can you subtract from that 15? Can you subtract 84?
No, sir. No, sir. We
Sorry,
cannot.
64. We cannot subtract. That's why I'm taking, instead of taking 8 times, it is better to take
21.
7 times.
7 times 21.
7 times it is 21 and the remainder is
4.
4 and write it before next digit. Now the number becomes 45. In that 45
Yes.
again quotient with the divisor. Quotient with the divisor is over. Quotient with the flag. 8 7s are. Even 56 is also more than
Sir,
45,
6 times
right?
we have to take, sir, again now.
Yeah, 6 times only. It is not possible with the 7 times also. So I'm going to take with 6 times only. 6 times how much it is? 3 4 sorry 3 6 are 18 and the remainder is
7.
7. Write it before next digit, it becomes 75. Now flag multiplication is okay. Tell me 6 8s are 56, right?
Yes, sir. 56.
Yeah. 75 minus 56 is how much? 19, correct?
Sir, 6 8s are 48, right?
6 8s are 56, not 56. Okay. Okay. Sorry, we have done mistake here. Yeah. Please respond to my questions immediately. 6 8s are
Okay.
48 and the
48.
remainder is here is 75 minus 48. How much? If it is 75 minus 45, 30.
27.
Yeah, 27 it is. In that 27, after flag multiplication is over, again come to divisor. Tell me in 27, how many times 3 will go?
So 9 times.
9 times
It
what
will
it?
go 9 times, sir. But if you take 9 times, sir, next further calculation will be
Sir,
difficult.
8 times 24, sir. Remainder is
Times
3.
24, the remainder
0.63 is the answer.
be 32. But even 8 times is also not possible. Because from that 32, we cannot subtract 8 8s are 64. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
So how many times it is? 9 times is not possible. 8 times is not possible. 7 times is
Yes, sir. It is possible.
21
7
and the remainder is 6, sir. Write it before next digit. And from here onwards,
Sir,
if you want, you can
yes,
continue.
sir.
Okay, here the answer is 0.67. Now
Sir, can you
your question.
show C? So once
Huh.
the C, the C one.
C, which is C? Okay, C. Tell.
Yes, sir. You can scroll down.
Okay.
I just wanted to just take a screenshot.
Whose question is this? Manideep, I think.
Manideep.
Manideep, ready? Manideep is not there. Okay, I'm going to do this. So 78, we are dividing this number by divisor 4 and flag is 9. Okay, from right side, after 1 digit, decimal point and 0 0 0. Okay. Now see, in 7 4, how many times it will go?
Sir,
One time.
1 time.
4 ones are 4. With the remainder 3, write it before next digit, becomes 38. So keep the decimal point here because the line is passed.
Sir, yes, sir. Now flag multiplication.
Flag multiplication with the quotient. 1 9s are
9.
how many times it is? 38 minus 9. 29, I think.
Yes, sir. 20.
Okay. In 29, how many times 4 will go? 4 7s are 28. But if we take 7, next flag multiplication will be higher number. 7
Yes,
9s
sir.
are 63. So 7 times is not possible. 6 times also
6
not possible.
times. 5
Yeah,
times, sir.
6 times, 60.
5 times it will come, sir.
Yeah, 5 times it is better. So with the practice on experience, you are getting these numbers, right? Yes or no? In first
Yes, sir.
in first question, I have written this and I have taken a wrong decision and we realized that later. But after that, we are making it, we are taking directly 5. See here. If you take 4 8 times, it will be, sorry, 4 7 times it will be 27, but next is not possible. That's why we have reduced to 6. Even in that case also not possible. That's why I reduced to 5. So 4 5s are how much it is? 20 and the remainder is 9. Write it before next digit. Now go to the flag multiplication now. 5 4s are, sorry, 5 9s are
45.
45 and the remainder is
45.
45. In that 45, flag multiplication is over. Now again coming to divisor. So in 45, how many times 4 will go?
So 11.
So
Yes, sir,
11
11 times 44.
11 times, we got 11 times. I think 6 times will come here. Suppose if it is 6 times, 4 6 are 24. Yeah, 6 times 24 and the remainder is 5. 24 and the remainder is 5. 9 6 are 54. Yeah, okay, it is correct only. 11 times it is not possible for further calculation. 10 times is also not possible for further calculation. If it is 9 times, 4 9s are 36 and the remainder is 9. Yes, it is possible further. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So here 1.59 is the answer for this question. And do you have time?
No, sir, no time.
And with this weekend, we'll get one more class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in that class
On Friday.
we will complete Vedic maths. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And next
Have a
week,
nice day, sir.
yeah, in the next class we'll see 3-digit number divisions also. Divisor with 3-digit numbers also. Now we are seeing 2-digit number divisions.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.